Students online, all of you all, very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are keeping fine. I hope you'll have your laptops with you all. Okay, everybody, because today is your practical day. So I'm going to share my screen with all of you all. And we'll continue from where we stopped last. Okay, everybody, can you all please open up your word processing folder? Right, guys, girls, all of you all, where we stopped at was formatting a page. Can you guys start locating? Can you put everything else away, please? Atif, what's going on there? Put it away, please. Okay, so now, where were we? Let me quickly open up my lesson. Right, everybody, can you all continue with lesson number 9? Can you open up lesson 9, formatting a page? Everybody, lesson 9, formatting a page. Can you open up the document? So in that document, what we did last was, we had a look at how to put a background color for a page. We saw how to put borders for a page. We saw how to put a header and a footer. Okay, everybody remember this stuff? You'll have this document with you all. Okay, so here what we did was background color, borders, header, footer. Okay, right. Now everybody look over here. Next, what I want to show you all is orientation, margins, all that is coming up. Guys, do you also remember over here, I was telling you all, we have something called orientation. Okay, hurry up. We have something called orientation, right? Anyone remembers what's the orientation of this page? This is called portrait. When your paper is this way, we call it portrait. When your paper goes this way, we call it landscape. And I showed you guys how to set it. If you come to layout, can you guys see portrait, landscape? Can you all see? Right. Now, everybody, can you look at my screen? This is a little difficult for me to explain. So look very carefully here. Everybody, can you all see right now, what is the alignment of my text? Right now, it's left aligned. Agree? My text is all left aligned. It's starting from the left, going all the way to the right. Isn't it? Now, everybody, can you all see my text always starts from this point? Everyone saw this? Can you all see in all the paragraphs over here, my text starts at this point. Are we okay with this? Can you all also see the gap it's keeping from the top? Not the header. I'm talking about the regular text and the gap at the top. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see the gap between the header and the text? You guys saw that? Right. Can you guys see on the on the right hand side? Let me zoom out. Can you all see on the right hand side between the text and the borders? There is a gap here. Can you guys see that? Boys, can you guys see that? There is a gap. Okay, there's like a fixed gap, right? There is a fixed gap on the left hand side. There is a fixed gap on the top. There is a fixed gap on the right. Can you all see there's also a fixed gap at the bottom? You guys can see these 4 gaps. These 4 gaps are what we call our margins. Did you hear what I just told you all? The margins of a page, how many sides are there? There are 4. What are the 4? You have a margin on the top, a margin at the bottom, a margin on the left, a margin on the right. Everybody okay with this? And you can control this margin. Everybody okay with this? If you come to page layout, guys, can you come to layout? And can you all see there's an option called margins over here? Can you see they have given you different options? Right now, many of us, we are using something called normal margins. Normal margins is 1 inch. 1 inch from the left, 1 inch from the right, 1 inch from the bottom, 1 inch from the top. Everybody okay with this? Right now, by default, most of you all should be having normal margins. Are we okay? Now, some of you all, your computer is measuring in centimeters. The value might be a bit different. Okay, but most of you all by default will be using normal. Can you all change it to narrow? And then see the text moves. Can you guys move into narrow? When you move into narrow, you're decreasing the gap. Move into narrow, please. You guys saw that earlier. Let me undo it. Everyone, look here. Look here. Everyone, look here. Right now, I'm having 2 pages. Can you all see the gap from the left? Okay, I'm going to decrease my margin. The gap is going to become smaller. Is it clear? So look here. Narrow. Right now, I'm having 2 pages. But when I make my margins narrow, I'm decreasing the gap. So most text can go up. When I make it narrow, you guys saw that? Now one page is enough for me. Everyone saw that? This is what we call your margins. Guys, have you all changed your margins? Do not make your margin too narrow. Why? Remember, when you put a paper into a printer, the printer needs to hold the paper, right, to send it through the printer. So keep enough gap for the printer to hold your paper. If your margins are extremely narrow, what is going to happen? The part that the printer is holding the paper, that part will not get printed. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes, guys, to save space, what do? We make our margins very, very narrow. Then there is no gap for the printer to hold your paper while printing. What I'm saying, does it make sense? So always keep enough margin so that your paper can go through the printer and all the text can get printed. Everybody okay with this? Okay, because when you're sending a paper through a printer, the printer roller needs a gap to hold the paper and send the paper through the printer. So always keep sufficient space in your margin so that your printer has enough space to hold the paper and print the document. Otherwise, parts are going to get cut out. Are we okay with this? Let me show you guys something. Can you come into margins? And say, for example, you want an extremely narrow margin. What is the minimum you can get right now? Right now, the minimum is 0.5 now. From the built-in settings, the minimum you can go to is 0.5. Agree? Let's say you want it to be less than 0.5. Let's try to make it 0.1. Everybody, can you all come to custom margins? Custom means I want to give my own values. If you choose custom, it will allow you to put your own values. Now, guys, over here, again, I'm reminding you, double quotes means what's the unit? Not meters, inches. Okay? Double quotes means inches. Some of you all, your computer is measuring in cm. Then you type it in cm. Okay? So everybody, my computer is measuring in inches. So I'm going to type 0.1 for top, 0.1 for bottom, 0.1 for left. Wait, y'all don't type, y'all don't type, y'all don't type. 0.1 for right. Now see, guys, this is very, very narrow. Not enough for the printer to hold. So when I click on OK, can you guys see what's happening over here? It's going outside your borders. Okay, guys. So do you think, what's going to happen when you print this document? These characters are going to get cut out. Is it clear? Because this gap, everyone look here. This gap over here, the printer is going to be holding that part. Is it clear? So these characters are not going to get printed. Your printout is going to be a failure. Everybody okay with this? So always ensure your margins are sufficient. Okay, go with narrow. If you really need space, go with narrow. So everybody, I'm going to go back to narrow. Come on, everyone. Right and see. Go with narrow, okay? Okay. Okay. Right, guys. Let me show you one more thing. Coming soon. Now, guys, I want to show you one more thing. Another feature of formatting. Everybody, another feature of formatting. Everyone looking at my screen? Right. Now, guys, over here, everyone, look over here, guys. What I'm going to do is, can you guys select your text from top to bottom? From top to bottom, can you all select your text? From top to bottom, select your text below. Come on, guys. From top to bottom, select it. Shortcut key to select everything. Control A. Control C is copy. Control A. Everyone, unselect it. Just go and click somewhere else. Just go and click somewhere else. So it gets unselected. Now press Control A. Ctrl A. What happens? Control. Okay. Control A. Everything gets selected. Now, guys, look at my screen. I'm going to break this into two columns. You know what columns are, right? You remember when we did tables? With your hand, show me which way is a column. This way or which way? Up to down or left to right? Up to down, right? That's a column. So I'm going to break this text into two columns. I'm going to break it into two columns. Okay. Can you guys come into layout? In layout, can you see columns? Can you guys see columns in layout? In that, can you guys choose two columns? You can go for three, whatever. I'm going to go with two columns. Now, can you see how your text is broken? Your text is now broken into 2 columns. Okay. Should I do that again for anyone? Do it again. So undo. Undo is, girls behind, undo is Control Z. Control Z to undo. Or you can even come and click on this arrow over here. So over here, what do? Control A. We come to layout, columns, and we say, I need 2 columns. I want my text to be broken into 2 columns. Are we good here? Right. I want to ask you all one more thing. I forgot the name of this feature. What's the name of this feature? Drop cap. Everyone, next one. We have something called drop cap. Give me a second to show it to you all. Everyone, look here. Can you guys look at this V over here? Yeah. Okay, let it be there. I'll take it. Okay. Everyone, look at this V over here. I want this letter V to be dropped across multiple sentences. I don't know, you guys have seen certain newspapers, they use this style. I want this letter V. Let me zoom in. I want this letter V to be dropped. I want it to appear across multiple sentences. We call this feature drop cap. Okay, everyone listening to me? Okay, I want the V to be across multiple sentences. So everybody, can you all select V? Select V below. Then when you come to insert, guys, can you all see in the text group? In the text group, can you all see there's something called drop cap? You have 2 options. One is drop, one is in margin. Can you guys go with dropped? When you choose drop, can you all see what happened to V? V is now appearing across multiple sentences. Okay, it's a formatting feature. By the way, what is formatting about? What is formatting about? What? All this was formatting. So formatting is what? Sorry? Anything to do with the appearance of a document is called what? Formatting. When you change the appearance of a document, you change the font color, the background color, the font size, the font style, alignment, drop cap, any of these margins, what do you call orientation, layout, paper size, any of this that you do is called formatting. You're changing the appearance of your document. Everybody okay with this? Okay, then I'm going to zoom out. Everybody, we are zooming out. I mean, you all don't need to zoom out. Right. We are done with lesson 9 now. Everybody, lesson 9, okay? So now I'm going to click on save. Can everyone click on save now? Boys, girls, everyone, click on save below. We are now going to move on to lesson 10. Okay? Everyone with me? Okay? Now lesson 10, guys, please listen carefully to me. Do not work while I am working. I'll give you all time to work with me. Can everyone for now create lesson number 10-mail merge? Lesson 10, right click, new, Word document, lesson 10-mail merge. Okay, lesson 10-mail merge. Can you all open it up now? Lesson 10-mail merge. Okay, let me do it again and show you all. Everybody, this is the file I want. Lesson 10-mail merge. Okay, right. Okay, now guys, listen carefully to me. Let us first type the letter. Okay, after that, I'll tell you all what mail merge is all about. Okay. So let's move into mail merge, guys. Now, guys, over here, I want to type a letter. Okay, I want to type a letter over here. What is the letter we are going to type over here? So everybody, So we are going to type, for example, an invitation. Okay, everybody, we are going to type an invitation. Look at me below. Now, everybody, this invitation, everybody is going to get the same invitation. But I want to personalize the invitation person by person, meaning everybody gets the same content. But on the invitation, guys, I want to put each person's name. You get my point? Like, for example, normally when you all send out wedding cards or birthday cards or anything, everybody gets the same card, but the name on the card is different, right? So normally, guys, how do we do wedding cards? We have somebody manually writing every card, isn't it? The content on the card is the same. The name only we change, isn't it? So the space for name is normally blank, isn't it? The person, the company printing the cards, they'll print the card. The place where the name is supposed to come, what do? They keep it blank, right? For you to write the name over there. Now, guys, in Microsoft Word, we have a feature called Mail Merge, where you can connect your contacts to your letter. What did I tell you all in Mail Merge? You can connect your contacts to your letter. So what will Microsoft Word do? It will automatically make a personalized letter for every contact of yours. Is it clear, guys? Instead of you writing every letter, which is going to take many hours, the computer will do it for you in a second. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to type the letter and then I'm going to connect it to my contacts. And then it's going to make a copy for each and every one of them. So watch, let's write a letter. So how do we invite somebody? We would say, dear, and for example, guys, everyone look here. I'm going to put the name over here. I'm going to put name over here. Okay, everybody. So dear, I'm going to put angle bracket. The name needs to appear over here. Dear, and the name needs to appear over here. Okay. And then over here, I'm going to say, you are cordially invited to I will say, for example, Thanksgiving. John's birthday party, okay, which will be taking place on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025 at our residence. Yeah, type it. At our residence, what's the address? We'll say number 100. Kohuala Road, Kohuala, Sri Lanka. Okay. Looking forward to your presence. Okay. And then, for example, on invitation cards, what do we normally say? At the end, RSVP regrets only, and you put a contact number for them to contact if they are unable to make it. Not 777-123-456. Okay. Everybody okay with this? Can you all type this? Okay. Can you put the bags inside, please? Okay. Guys, come on, boys. So this is our letter, okay? And now we are going to put some contacts to connect it to. Okay, so we'll have about 5 contacts, okay? Okay, everybody, in 30 seconds, I'm moving. RSVP, I don't know what it stands for, but if you're not coming, you must call this number and tell that you're not coming. So they can keep that seat for somebody else there. So now the waiting cards now, they have it at the bottom. Right, everybody, we need to move now. Guys, girls, everybody, let's make a few modifications. First of all, guys, A4 paper is way too big for this document, agree? A4 paper is way too big. Anyone knows what we call half an A4 paper? A5. So can you come to layout, everybody? Can you all come to layout and change this to A5? Can you all see A5 is over here? Come to layout, size, and choose A5. Everybody now, you can see I have gone to half the size of an A4 paper. Everybody, can you all make it an A5 paper? Layout, size. Okay, everyone, if you go into layout size, you should be able to see A5. You might have to scroll up and down a little bit, but you can see A5 over there. Are we good? Everyone okay there? Right. Then guys, I'm going to do something else. Let's put some, let's make it look a bit attractive. So everybody, can you come into design? Everyone come into design below. In design, can you come into page borders? Boys, can you come into page borders? In page borders, guys, you don't have A5. Let me show you. If you don't have A5, those who do not have A5, can you all get down? Can you all come to more paper sizes? Come to more paper sizes. And can you all type these values? Your width is 5.83. Your height is 8.27. Those who do not have A5, click on more paper sizes. Your width is 5.83. Your height is, yeah, I kept the values on the screen. 5.83 is your width. 8.27 is your height. Those who do not have it. Okay. (5.83 by 8.27). Okay. You also okay there? Done? Right. I'm going to move away from here now. Everybody, we are moving away from here. Can you come into design? And everyone, can you click on page borders? Yeah. In page borders, guys, can we go with a shadow setting? Go with a shadow setting below. Everybody okay with this? Go with a shadow setting. And I don't want any of these styles. These are too boring. Okay. Let's go with some art. Can you guys see at the bottom we have art? Can you guys find anything to do with birthday? There are some balloons here. Cake is there? Can you all take something that would relate to a birthday? Ice cream. Okay. What's wrong? Take it, take it. What's wrong? So are you in borders? So where did we go? We came into layout. Boys, girls, we came into, sorry, design. Design, page borders. In the ice cake. Come into page borders and let's go with shadow. Okay, let's go with shadow. Now, what type of a shadow do you want? I want an art. What type of an art do you want? I'm going to go with this cake one. You choose whatever you want, but it should be somewhat relevant. Okay, so we'll go with this. Everybody okay with it? Guys, girls, everyone. So I'm going to click on OK. Should I come to anyone's laptop? No need. So I'm going to click on OK. So now, guys, can you all see the design? Then one more thing you can do is, if you want, you can change the page color. You choose. If you want, put a page color. Right, everyone. Can we, everybody, can you guys go with a font like this? Everybody, this, we will keep it bold. Everyone, can you all bold this? Dear name, can you all bold it? Right. From here to here, everybody, from here to here, can you all change the font to something called Comic Sans? Everyone, can you all change the font to Comic Sans? Do you guys have it? Comic Sans. You guys have this font? Comic Sans MS. Okay? It looks childish. It's a birthday card. Okay. Then guys, for RSVP and telephone number, can you all put a font called Monotype? Monotype Cursiva. Okay. For RSVP and telephone number, can you all put a font called Monotype Cursiva? Enter. And can you all bold it? Everybody, for RSVP and telephone number, can you all put a font called Monotype Cursiva and make it bold? Okay. Everybody okay with this? Comic Sans for the other text. Right. Now, guys, let's work together now. Everyone look at my screen. Monotype. Monotype. When you type mono itself, it will give you suggestion. Okay. Right, guys. Now mail merge is about to start. Everyone look at my screen below. Girls over there. Come on, everyone look at my screen, please. Now, guys, I'm going to start creating my contacts. Okay. There are many ways to create your contacts. I'm going to show you all method number one. In Microsoft Word itself, you can have your contact book. What did I tell you guys? In Microsoft Word itself, you can have your contact book. Okay. This is one way of doing it. Watch. Everyone, can we work together now? Everyone, can you all come into a tab called Mailings? There is a tab here called Mailings. Do you guys see it? Everyone saw Mailings? Now, guys, Do you know who are recipients? People who are going to receive the letter, right? The people who are going to receive this letter, we call them recipients. So I'm about to create my recipients. Okay, I'm about to create my recipients. Now in your O-level exam, guys, when you all get a question about mail merge, so far the examiner has always given the contacts. He has never asked you to create the contacts. Is it clear? But doesn't matter. We'll first learn how to create contacts. Then we will learn how to use these contacts. Okay, boys, everyone with me? So, can you guys come to mailings, select recipients, and can you say, we want to type a new list? I want to type a new contact list. Everybody okay with this? So say select recipients and say type a new list. Okay, right. So in our address book, guys, can you see there are a lot of fields we don't need? What is the only field we need? Title I don't need. Only name I need, right? Even first name, last name I don't need. I need only name. Everybody okay with this? So shall we do something like this? This is a bit of work for you all. So guys, I'm going to delete all these columns because I don't need them. I only need name. So guys, can you click on customize columns? Okay, I'll go from the top again. I came to select recipients. I'm about to create my contacts. And I'm going to say type a new list because I don't have my contact list yet. As soon as I do that, can you guys see my address book opens up? My contact book opens up. I don't need these columns. So guys, can you click on customize columns? Inside customize columns, can you start deleting all these columns? Click and press delete. Are you sure? Yes. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. It's going to take a little time. Okay, delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Everyone, can you delete your fields because you don't need any of them? Okay. Some of you have kept first name, not a problem. I'm going to just say add and I'm going to call my field name. I'm going to have a field called name. Some of you all have kept first name, not a problem. Keep it as it is. Okay, but you don't need title. Title you can delete. You can say okay. So now name is over here. Now shall I say okay? So I have only one field and that's called name. I said add and I have a field called name. Everybody okay with this? I have only one field. Those of you who kept first name, not a problem. Keep it as it is. Okay. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now, guys, I'm going to start entering my names now. Everybody okay with this? I'm going to start entering my names. So, for example, the first name is Harry. Enter. Everybody, I type Harry. Now, I want a new entry. Can you guys see? New entry. Then I'm going to say Peter. Then I'm going to say new entry, Pereira. Then new entry, I'm going to put Stephen. Okay, and let's put one more. Which one? Kumar. Okay. Everybody, can you put down these names? Okay, so I have 5 people who are supposed to receive this letter. Now, 5 is a small number, but imagine like a real party where you have 100, 200 guests. Normally, you would be manually writing these names, which would take you 2-3 hours. But now the computer is going to do it for you in a few seconds. Okay? Everybody okay with it? So this is our list, yeah? Guys, girls, now when you all click on OK, your computer will ask you, do you want to save this contact list? Everybody, 1 minute, I'll come to you. Okay, now when you click on OK, your computer is going to ask you, do you want to save this contact list? So everybody, can you all save it in your folder as party contact list? In your word processing folder, guys. In your word processing folder. In your word processing folder, can you save it as party contact list? Party contact list. Everybody, once you create your list, next step is to save it. Okay? What happened? Can you? In word processing, inside ICT at Platinum, you have a folder called word processing. If you don't have, okay, otherwise save it inside word processing. Everybody, our list is called party contact list. Okay? Everyone look here below. I'm moving now. So I'm going to click on save now. Now when I click on save, guys, now only one thing is remaining. For you to tell your computer where to place the names. Is it clear? You have to now tell your computer where to place the names. So guys, where are we going to place the name? Next to dear. Next to dear, I need the name to appear, right? So everyone look here. Make sure the space between dear and name is there. Can you guys see that space is there? Now I'm going to carefully select only name. I'm not going to touch the comma. You guys saw that? Without touching the comma, only name. Because the name needs to appear in that gap, right? Agree with me? So can you guys see in my selection, after dear, there is a space. I have selected up to the comma. The comma is not selected. Are we good? If it's difficult to do with a mouse, you can click over here and select using shift key. Shift right. Are we good? So what's going on? Okay. Okay. If it's difficult, guys, to select with the mouse, you can click over here. Shift right, all the way up to here. Now, guys, can you come and put the name field over there? So in mailings, guys, can you see insert merge field? The name is there. Tell your computer to put the name in that gap. Does that make sense? Everybody, I'm telling my computer where to put the name field. I'm telling my computer name field should appear in this gap. Are we okay? So I click name over here. You guys saw this now. So now the name that we just typed is going to appear over here. Okay. Once you are done with that, guys, why don't you preview your letter to just see how it looks? Click on preview. Here we have preview now. When you click on preview, there you go. Dear Harry. It looks perfect, right? The comma is appearing. There is a space after dear. Isn't it? Go again, meaning from which point? I'm going to off preview. Click again on preview and off it. Click again on preview and off it. After, it's not working for you. Once again, what did you tell me? Did you put a merge field? Okay. I'll undo this. So everybody, what did I do over here? I need the names to appear in this gap now. So select this. Be very careful. Do not touch the comma, okay? You saw what I have selected, girls? Saw what I have selected. Now, can you see even after dear, there is a space. I haven't taken up that space. Now I come into mailings and I say what? Insert merge field. Insert the name field there. I want the name field to drop over here. So I click on name over here. So now the name field drops over here. Everybody okay with this? Now guys, listen carefully. I'm about to produce my letters. Right now I'm merging now. I'm about to complete the merge. When I complete the merge, how many letters should I have? Because of 5 contacts. Do you guys agree with that? When I merge it, when I complete the merge, when I produce it, I should have 5 letters. Shall we see if that happens? Everybody ready? Yusuf, wait, I'll call you in, okay? Uh, everybody, mailings. We click on finish and merge. Everybody, in the mailings tab. In the mailings tab, finish and merge. And what do we do over here? Everyone, did you come to finish and merge? Finish and merge and say edit individual documents. Guys, finish and merge, edit individual documents. And guys, can you all read the heading here? What does it say? You all didn't do it. Everybody, in mailings tab, now we're going to produce our letters now. So we are going to do what? Mailings, finish and merge. Here say edit individual documents. Can you all read the heading here? Merge to new document, which means your letters are now going to appear in a new document. You want to merge all of them, only some of them. You want to merge all of them, only certain records. We want to merge all. Can you guys click on all and say okay? I'll come to you. Click on all and say okay. Now guys, what do you all see on your screen? Hey, what happened to the background color? Guys, did you all get 5 letters? For some reason, background color didn't work. Everybody, did you all get 5 colors? No, not 5 colors, I mean 5 letters. Everybody, 5 letters. Dear Harry, when I go down, dear Peter, dear Pereira, dear Stephen, dear Kumar. Everyone got it? I'll come. Both of you will come. Guys, everyone look here below. Your merged letters. Guys, can you all see over here? You have 2 documents. This is your merging document. Boys, this is your merging document. This is your merged document. Are we okay with that? I'm repeating myself again. This is your merging. This is where you did the merging. This is your merged document. Can you guys save your merged document as lesson 10 dash letters for printing? Your merged document. You got 5 letters now. That document, click on save. I'll come to you. Your merged document, guys. This one with the 5 letters, click on save in that. And say what over here? Go to your word processing folder. Browse. Go to your word processing folder. And what are we going to call this? Lesson 10 dash letters for printing. Everyone, lesson 10 dash letters for printing. Okay. Your merged document. Everyone, the document which has 5 pages or 5 letters, that document. Do you have a document like this? This document, go and click on save. For this document, click on save. As soon as you click on save, it will ask you, where do you want to save it? So click on more options. Or some of you all might not get these more options. Click on browse. Click on browse and over here, choose your word processing folder. And over here, lesson 10 dash letters for printing. Everyone okay with this? Lesson 10 letters for printing. Can you guys do that soon? Right, everybody, we're going to move away from here. Guys, girls, everybody, we're going to move away from here. So I'm going to click on save. Right. We are going to do one more example. Everybody, we are going to do one more example. Can you all close it now? Can you all close it now? Can you all create a new document called lesson 11? Mail merge with Microsoft Excel. Right click, new, Word document. The name of the Word document is going to be lesson 11 dash mail merge with Excel. Mail merge with Excel. Okay. This is going to be slightly a bit more complicated. Okay. I'm going to have more fields this time. Right, everybody. What's going on? Close everything else. Everybody, close everything else. And now open up lesson 11, Velu. Boys, can you open up lesson 11? We're going to type a letter now. We'll type a fee notice. Okay. So what do we type over here? Dear, and the parent name has to appear here. Dear parent name, comma. Please be informed that lesson 11 dash mail merge with Excel. Lesson 11 dash mail merge with Excel. Lesson 11 dash mail merge with Excel. Are you all done, boys? You done? Then can you all type this letter with me? I'll first type it. Please be informed that you have an outstanding amount of LKR, and over here the amount must appear. The amount must appear here. Please be informed that you have an outstanding amount of 500,000 rupees for your child, and child name should appear here. Child name should appear here, of grade, and the grade must appear here. Okay, of grade this. Okay, please settle this amount by latest when? By latest Monday. Please be informed that you have an outstanding amount of, now right now, for your child, then the child name of grade, then the grade. Please settle this amount. Please settle this amount by latest Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. Okay. Please ignore this letter if already settled. Okay. Thank you. Finance department. Everyone look here. Thank you. Now guys, look here. Everyone, can you look here for a second? When I press enter, can you all see the line spacing? It's quite a lot, right? But if I press shift enter, boys, if I press shift enter, can you all see the line spacing has reduced? Okay, so press shift enter. Okay, enter. This is the line spacing, quite a lot. Okay, but shift enter, the gap is much smaller. Finance department. Okay, Platinum Business Academy. Okay, so let's bold this. Let's bold this. And okay, parent name, I'm going to bold. Child name, amount, I'm going to bold. Of LKR, I'm going to bold. Child name, I'm going to bold. Grade, I'm going to bold. Everybody okay with this? These details we bold by latest Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. Also, I'm going to bold. Okay. What's wrong? Okay. Thank you for Come on, guys, we are moving in 2 minutes. I press shift enter. After thank you, I didn't press enter, I press shift enter. After thank you, guys, I press shift enter. So that there is not a big line gap, line space. We missed out one thing also. Guys, after the parent name, we must put a heading, right? So we will say, what? Fee settlement of outstanding amount. Outstanding amount, reminder. Or reminder dash outstanding amount. Can you all make it look like a heading? Bold it, underline it, center line it. Can you guys do this? Not header. Okay. Yes, Rashma, what's up? What's up? How do you center line it? Shortcut key is Control E. You can either press Control E or in the Home tab, can you see center line here? In the Home tab, paragraph group, left, center, right, justify. You can go with center. Okay. Are we good? Header, not a header, it's just a heading. It's not a header, it's a heading. So bold it, underline it. It should look different from the other text. Okay, everybody? Well done, girls? Done? What happened? Problem? I'll come to you. Right, everyone, can you all save your work? Everybody, save your work. And with that, guys, we'll be back in 10 minutes. 8:45. Please be back by 8:45. Okay, students online, we are back. And we are going to continue with this, right? Okay. So everybody, can you all minimize this Word document now? We are going to go to Excel and create our contact list in Excel, okay? Boys, can you all minimize this now? Save your work here and minimize it. Now, in your folder, can you, boys, what's wrong with you all? In your folder, can you right click and say new? Excel. Everyone, can you all see Excel over here? Microsoft Excel worksheet. I want you all to, in your same folder, right click and say, I want a new Microsoft Excel worksheet. Are we good? Everyone? Yeah, no problem. So put the dot docs then. Not new folder. I'll come to your laptop. A new Excel worksheet. In your same folder, guys, wherever you put lesson 11, everybody, wherever you put lesson 11, next to it, right click and say new. I want a new Excel worksheet. Everyone with me? The name of this Excel worksheet will again be lesson 11 contacts. Lesson 11 dash contacts. We are going to be saving our contacts inside this Excel sheet. Okay, lesson 11 dash contacts. Yes, everybody, can we open this up now, girls, over there? Can we open this up now? Lesson number 11, contacts. Let's open it, guys. Lesson 11, contacts. Now, guys, over here, we are going to be storing our contact details. Bottom right, can you all zoom in? Bottom right, can you all zoom in, guys? I'll give you all the contacts now. So guys, what do we need now? We need, I'll tell you all what are the headings. We need, first, what do we need? We need the parent name. So I'll say parent name over here. Guys, can you all see my cursor? Everybody look at my cursor. Can you all see where my cursor is? It's here next to A. Everyone saw my cursor. You can click on this and make it bigger. Are we okay with this? On column A, boys, on column A, keep the cursor here. Everyone keep the cursor here, click and pull it. So you can make the column bigger. Then after parent name, we have child name. Child name. Can you all make this column also bigger? Make this column bigger. Then we have grade. Then we have amount. And then we have, that's it. Okay. So in parent name, guys, can you guys put this? Mendes. You can put Shanaka over here. Then over here you can put Matthews. Everybody, can we get down about 5 records? Yeah. I'll come to your laptop. I'll come to your laptop. I'll come to your laptop. Can you guys start filling this? What's wrong? Come on. Boys, girls, can you type down this data inside your columns? Everybody, type down these values. Yes, everybody. Now look at my screen now. Everybody, can you look at my screen now, guys? Now, everyone, look here. Boys, look here. You have your parent field, your parent column. You have your child name column. You have your grade column. You have your amount column. Now, guys, I want to ask you all a question. Should the first row, boys, girls, should the first row appear in my letter? The first row over here, parent name, child name. I don't need that data in my letter, right? I needed to start from Mendes onwards, isn't it? Because these are what? These are headings, right? Everyone okay with this? My first row is my heading. Agree, everyone? Everyone agree? The first row over here is my heading. Remember that, okay? The first row is not data, is not data for the letter. It's just the heading. So now, can you all save it and close Excel? Save it and close. Boys, what's going on here? Save it and close Excel. Now, guys, everyone work with me now. We are going to go into the mailings tab. In the mailings tab, guys, I'm going to choose my recipients. Select recipients. Over here, guys, what do you think I need to choose? Type a new list or use an existing list? Use an existing list because I already have created my list. Everybody okay with it? Please close Excel. You can't merge with it if it's open. Excel has to be closed. While Excel is open, if you try to merge, error message. Save it, of course, and then close it. Go back where? Excel, yeah. Save it, yeah. I saved it as SL11 dash contacts. What? No, you need all these columns. Okay, now everybody, can you click on Excel should be saved and then close Excel. Lesson 11 contacts, save and close it. Okay, what's going on there? Lesson 11, save it and close it. Don't keep it open while merging. Now guys, inside your Word document, can we get started? Select recipients. Use an existing list. Everyone with me? Use an existing list. I already have a list. I want to use it. Use an existing list. Now guys, can you go and locate where your list is? Where is your list? It's in your word processing folder. Over here, lesson 11. Everyone, can you all find it? You will type over here. You will click on select recipients. Use an existing list. Everybody, is it working? Use an existing list. Where is my list? My list is in my word processing folder. Word processing is over here. What's the name of the file? Lesson 11-contacts. Everybody okay with this? Boys, girls? Then I click on open. Guys, do you click on open? Can you all see, it's asking, is it sheet number 1? Yes, it is sheet number 1. And can you all see at the bottom what is ticked? First row contains the headings. Is that correct? The first row is my headings, correct. Make sure it's ticked. Everybody, can you all make sure it is ticked? The first row contains my headings. Okay. Now, can you guys click on OK again? Everybody click on OK again. So now what happened? Your contacts have now been imported into Microsoft Word. Are we okay with this? Your contacts have now been imported into Microsoft Word. Now it's time for you to tell Microsoft Word where to put that data. Are we good? So can you very carefully select only parent name. Keep that space. After there should be a space. Carefully select only parent name. Come to your mailings tab. Insert merge field. And say I want the parent name to be dropped there. Okay. The parent name field. I want it dropped over there. Everyone, should I do that again? After importing, guys, select only parent name. If you want, use your keyboard. Shift and arrow keys. Come to mailings, insert merge field and say parent name should fall there. Then come and choose amount. Everyone look here. Come and choose amount with the keyboard and say I want the amount to fall there. Insert merge field. Amount must fall over there. Okay. Is it okay? Abdul Khalik, how is it going there? Then guys, child name, carefully. Only child name from angle bracket to angle bracket. From angle bracket to angle bracket. Do not touch the spaces. Over here, you come and say insert merge field. I want the child name to fall there. Then carefully select only the grade, not the full stop. And come and say insert merge field grade. I want the grade to fall over there. Can you guys sort this out for me? Done. Very good. Can you guys put your fields in the correct places? Right, guys, girls, everyone, let's do a preview. Everybody, before we finalize this, guys, girls, everybody, in the mailings tab, can you all click on preview and see how your letter looks? It looks quite fine, right? Dear Mendis, LKR 25,000 for your child Kusal of grade 5. Everything is appearing properly, right? Guys, can you all see? 1 second now, 1 second. Because after you merge it, guys, if there is a problem, for every single letter, you have to go and change that problem. You get it? So sort out your problems before merging it. Okay. So everyone do a quick preview and see how it looks. Click on preview and see how it looks. Okay. And then guys, you can off preview. If there are no problems, you can click on preview and off it. Okay. Click on preview to view it. Again, click on preview to off it. Okay. Now guys, can you all produce the letter? Come to finish and merge if there were no errors. If there were no errors, guys, can you all click on finish and merge? Finish and merge, edit individual documents. Everyone, I'll come to you. Edit individual documents. Now, guys, if there are no errors, boys, look here. If there are no errors, now go to finish and merge inside mailings tab. Finish and merge, edit individual documents. I want to merge all of them. Okay. I want to merge all of them. Now say okay. When I click OK, what should happen? When I click on OK, a new document should be created. With how many letters? With 5 letters. Because I had 5 contacts. Isn't it? Can you guys do that? All and say OK. When you say OK, guys, I got a new Word document with 5 letters. Everyone look here. I have 5 letters here. Dear Mendes, dear Shanaka, dear Matthews, dear Peter, and dear Herath. Can you guys see? I have 5 letters here in my new document. Can you guys see if you all have got it as well? Okay. Right, guys, girls, those who are done, can we save this as lesson number 11? Letters for printing. Lesson 11, letters for printing. Click on save. Girls, boys, the merged document, okay? The merged document, you will save it as lesson 11. More options. Browse. Everybody browse. Browse lesson 11. Everybody. Lesson 11 dash letters for printing. Lesson 11 dash letters for printing. Can you guys click on save? Lesson 11 dash letters for printing. Are we good? Lesson 11 letters for printing. Boys. Okay. Lesson 11 dash letters for printing. Okay. So everybody, can you click on save? Guys, I want you all to do one more thing. I want you all to save this as a PDF document. So it can be viewed even on a smartphone. No problem. Again, you're going to save it. So guys, if I want to make a copy of this, where do I go? File, save as. Very good. File, save as, or save a copy. Everybody okay with this? File and say save as or save a copy. And then guys, look here, the name will remain the same. Click on browse. The name will remain the same, but your file type, everyone here, your name will remain the same. Your save as type will become PDF. Can you guys see if you can get PDF there? Your save as type will become PDF. So now choose PDF from here and then click on save. Everybody okay with this? PDF and now click on save. So lesson 11 dash letters for printing. This time PDF format. Type is PDF. Go to your folder and see. Do you all see the PDF file there? Okay, right. Everybody okay with this? Everybody, for now, guys, oh, wait. Inside your word processing folder, everybody, inside your word processing folder, can you all create a new folder called word processing past paper questions? Right click on your folder and say you want a new folder. Anyone remember the shortcut key? For new folder, Control Shift N. Control Shift N is a shortcut key for a new folder. And can you all call this folder past paper questions? Past paper questions. Everybody, can you all name this folder as past paper questions? Past paper questions. Okay. Now, everybody, in our next practical class, guys, before you all come to class, everyone looking at me. In your next class, before you all come for class, I'll be giving you all some files to download because we'll be working on those files in our next class. So please make sure you download them before you come to class. Okay? Before the class, 1 or 2 days before, I'll share the files with you all. Okay, guys, with that, I'm gonna take attendance now.